Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block a user on Reddit. Let's say if you find his or her content offensive, or if you have fed up with someone's posts. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then select the post that you find offensive, or that you want to block the user or the poster of. So tap on the three dots icon in the right side of the screen, and then if you scroll down you can find this block user option in the middle of the screen. So tap on it, and now as you can see, if you block this person you won't see his or her posts or comments. So tap on the button block. So now this user has been blocked. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.